Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing all power. This prevents shorts. Once unplugged, discharge residual energy by holding the power button for 5 seconds, then ground yourself. Wrist strap or a firm touch to the case works. Next, open the case and visually inspect the RAM area. Note which slots are used and the clip positions. Make sure to photograph the stick orientation. This saves time. Now you're ready to remove a module. Gently open the clips and lift the RAM straight out, keeping fingers off the gold contacts. You'll clean and reseat now, because oxidation or poor contact is common. Once done, wipe only the gold contacts with a lint-free cloth moistened with 90% plus isopropyl. Avoid the PCB. After drying, insert the stick with even pressure until both clips click. Do one stick at a time, then boot. If the PC doesn't post, power down and move that stick to another slot. Make sure to test with a known good stick if available. This isolates whether the module or the slot is at fault. You finish by verifying stability, because detection doesn't guarantee reliability. Boot into MemTest 86 or use Windows Memory Diagnostic and run at least one full pass. Note error counts. If errors appear, update BIOS or UEFI firmware and load optimized defaults. Memory compatibility and timings often cause issues. Once updated, repeat testing. If failures persist, try a different module and retest. If that fails too, the motherboard slot may be dead, and you should
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.